Hey guys, so today I'm making kebabs and I'm going to show you the easiest way to make these. And the easiest way to make these is to get like a mayonnaise cap and put some cling wrap in it like this, so it's all the way inside. After it's all the way inside, you can get some of the kebab dough or whatever it's called, and then you can like spread it apart. Don't fill it up too much, because if you fill it up too much, it's going to be too fat. And if you do it too less, it's going to be too thin. And they won't be the same size. So to make them the same size, it's easier to do it with like 2 people, and like one can, after you do it like this, so then it's completely in there, but there's some room and you can, sorry about the background noise, and if you can like, you can barely see it over here. I did too much. After you do it like that, you can just grab onto make sure to have one part of the cling layer off, so you can just pick it up, and then you just flip it over, and it comes out that size. And then after it comes out that side, I'll show you that both of them are just like these two. Whoops, sorry. So like these two, they're the same size, and all of these two. That's why I'm suggesting you use a mayo cap or anything. If you don't have a mayo cap, then you can use, like, if you have the ketchup without the like squeezing thing, like it's just the cap and you can just tilt it over. You can use that, or just do it with your hands. But the hands won't make it even. Bye. I hope you guys enjoy my video to how to shape the kebabs, and please, if you had the time, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when another video comes in. Bye.